Hi everyone and welcome to a crafty fun collaboration hop. My crafty friends and I are so excited to bring you this special holiday edition where we're going to celebrate the season and share some creative inspiration for you. Now I do want to give a quick thank you to the LVHandcrafted group and fun YouTube channel for getting everybody together, and I want to thank you. From all of us, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays, and thank you for being part of this amazing 2024 year. Whether you've joined us for tutorials, crafty challenges, or just to say hi, your support has truly meant the world to us. So I am so excited to bring on 2025 for a more crafty and creative season. Now, let's go ahead and get started with my portion of the hop. Down below, I will have the link, or obviously this video grouping, you'll be able to go through everyone's. My name is Jessica Lynn, and I am the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ArtistryinCards. And if you're not sure how, there's a little red icon on the right-hand side. You can just click on that and subscribe. For my part of the hop, I'm going to be using the digital image there on the left-hand side. I thought it would be fun to create an image of a girl creating craft book card things. Maybe she's making ornaments for the tree. But anyway, it's all handcrafted using stamps. And you can see in the background there's a tree and then some other imagery in the background. Now, this image is going to be available for free on my website, JessicaLynnOriginal.com, so be sure to check that out. Also, starting on December 12th, I'm going to have the 12 days of Christmas cards and tags here on ArtistryinCards, so be sure to go ahead and subscribe so that you'll be able to be part of this fun event. So just to tell you what I did for the process, I went out to my website, JessicaLynnOriginal.com, downloaded this image, and then I put it in a Word doc, printed it through my printer, and I was able to actually use Word to be able to decide what size I wanted this image to be. Now I will be using a die cut to cut it out, so I'm going to color the whole scene as though I was using the whole square, and then when we cut it down, you'll see how it'll look just a little different. With this, I'm going to be coloring with Copic markers, Caliart markers, and potentially some colored pencils, but we'll see where this goes. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through this really quick so we can start to assemble the card. And because I will be cutting this out using a die cut, I will be coloring in the full background, so even the wallpaper and the cabinetry behind this lady. Alright, I'm going to pull out my die cuts and my old school cutter. I absolutely love my Cuttlebug. I have had it forever, and it was a gift from my mother many, many years ago, so it is like using that old nostalgic tool. I absolutely love it. It just makes me happy when I use it. Now the die cuts that I'm using are from Cat Scrappiness, so if you're interested in finding those, what I love is they're a double-edged stitch. So if you'll look in a moment, you'll actually be able to see a really faint stitch line all the way around, which I love. I am going to cut out a larger one in black with a larger ring, and then I'm going to put those two together. So this will look pretty good. I'm excited. Now, one of the goals that I have with this is I would like to try and use some crazy Christmas paper. I feel like whenever you order stacks of Christmas paper, you always get the craziest images sometime. It reminds me of like old school LuLaRoe pants, right? Where they were just like, whoever just mirrored and copied that image, just crazy stuff. So I'm going to try and find something pretty crazy and oh, this is it. No, not red. Let's go with, yes, that one maybe. No, oh, that's it. So this one to me, look at how much pattern there is, a lot going on. But what's fun is all the colors in that paper are colors that I used in coloring this digital image. So fingers crossed, it won't be too busy, but I want to kind of go outside my normal. So we'll see how this turns out. Just a reminder, don't forget to sign the back of your cards. If you are looking for a custom rubber stamp that you could use to be able to do that, be sure to visit my website, jessicalynoriginal.com, and I can make you one using your signature, or I could design something using an imagery or something that you'd like, or I could draw it for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and put a sentiment on there, and it's a lot, I'm not going to lie, but it's fun because it actually all kind of works together. So let's go ahead and find a sentiment. Now the sentiment that I'm going to use says believe in the magic, and that is actually one from a set of jessicalynoriginal.com stamps. It's got a really cute little Brentwood owl dressed as a reindeer. And the fun part is that in the magic is actually my handwriting. So it's kind of fun. So let's cut out this little tag and we will add it. Now, one of the things that I do love about the Crafty Fun collaboration hops is that they're not truly sponsored or affiliated by any brands or companies. They're just a group of us coming together to share to do what we love. Every project is unique, creative, and filled with holiday cheer, so trust me, you won't want to miss a single one. But I do want to take a quick moment and just say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell for more crafty fun in the future. And I just want to say thank you so much again to everyone at LV. Absolutely love it. So this is fun. I love doing this stuff. And you know what? Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I will see you again in the next video. Now head on, hop into the next card, and don't forget to send them some love too. Take care, everybody.